Thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to go over a couple common questions as well as the application process itself. So let's get started. So first, we're going to start out with pre-screening questions and actually scheduling a viewing. You'll do this directly through our website, which we'll actually see a better screen here in just a second. But this is kind of the screen that will come up with some pre-screening questions. So there'll be some common questions, some yes or no questions. These can be things that are cause for turn down, so it's important to answer them correctly. But if you wanted to, you don't actually have to schedule a tuber to apply. You can apply before scheduling one, or you don't have to take one at all if you don't like to. Okay, so the application process itself. So when you type in our website, this top screen here is what you're going to see. So you're going to actually hit this little button right here, which is going to say available rentals. And then it's going to bring up this screen, which if you were to scroll down, you would see more listings here, which you would actually click onto one of them. And once you click on one, you're going to have some pictures of the property right above here. And then you're going to see this screen. So you're going to have your apply now button, which you'll click onto, and that'll actually open up the application itself. Or you can schedule a viewing right here, which would be the screen we saw on the first slide. And then the first paragraph here is some property information that we have. So, we have like 3-bed, 2.5 bath, the square footage, a lot of like the pet information, so like max of 2 spare neutered pets with the amount of pet fee here. So there's going to be a lot of good information to read right in this top paragraph. And the second paragraph is going to be more of like your costs or your financial side of it. So you're going to say like your deposits is $17.99 plus the $250 lease setup fee. 7 to 30 days. So I'd encourage you guys to also read through this paragraph as well. So it's going to answer just about any question you would have. And then once you complete your application, it should auto direct you to paylease.com, which this is a screenshot of the website, what it kind of looks like. It also goes by Zego.com. So you're going to have to pay a $50 application fee per adult. So even if say you're a couple, you would have to pay $100. If it's 3 people, $150. But if it's just one person, you'd have to pay $50. And then once you create an account, you'll actually have to search for the property. You don't want to use north or south or like anything like that. You're just going to use the street number and the street name. So say the actual address was 123 North Main Street Avenue. You would only type in 123 Main Street and that'll bring it up for you. Lastly, there are some exclusions, things we don't necessarily work with, which is evictions, some unpaid housing collections, and then also some specific items within each individual listing. So we can go back. Actually, it's not, let me go back. In the information paragraph that we saw earlier, paragraph number 1, so say it's not a pet-friendly home, and you apply and you have 10 pets, that could be cause for turn down. This also is not a complete list, but it's just something to give you kind of a general idea of things that we require. We don't have, like a base credit score or anything like that, so if, the number's low, that's not necessarily a turn down. But these are some things that could be cause for turn down. If you guys have any other questions, you can always give us a call or just look through our website. And thank you guys for watching this video.